So hello. So here I am. I'm back. I had to run and do some real estate stuff, but you knew I had a creative at least video for you today. So I'm not going to be making anything today. Boo, hiss, I know, but I have an incredible haul video of some things that I was able to pick up over the Memorial Day weekend. Super excited. Y'all know I was being cheap about, who am I? I'm Garlinda Price, right? I'm broker and owner of Fusion Properties LLC and Fusion Properties Construction, and you already know that I share art from time to time of the designs that I create. Every Tuesday and Thursday we do a DIY or we do a haul. Tonight I'm doing a haul, but I do plan to do a DIY this week. I believe that we're going to be painting seashells, North Carolina coast seashells that we picked up, and we're going to be turning that into a necklace. And then I have another idea that I'm going to share as well. So I'm not really sure which one is going to win out, but I know that we're going to do a tutorial this Thursday. So super excited about that. So I have an incredible haul I want to share with you. So part of it came from Walmart. The other part came from Hobby Lobby. I wanted to share it last week and I didn't get around to doing it. And then the rest of it came from Dollar Tree. So I'm not going to do a bunch of chit chatting because I normally just let it go too long, right? So you know I was being cheap as it related to purchasing the Sharpie markers, but after doing the wood burning video, and so that's going to be one of our tutorials this week too, is a wood burning tutorial. So after doing the wood burning tutorial, I was so impressed with how those markers turned out. Although they were Dollar Tree markers, I was like, well gosh, if they did that and those are Dollar Tree markers, what would the Sharpie markers do? So remember how I was saying, you know, I was thinking Sharpie was overpriced. Well, I got carried away. So I got the Cosmic Color Sharpies from Walmart. And these were actually $9 and I think 27 cents or $9.72. I know, right? So my hair, I was ready for a change. I was like, I got to get these braids out. I've been natural forever and a day. My goal is to get my hair big, huge, long, all that great stuff. I've been growing it out long enough that it should be down the middle of my back by now, but I'm not always the best at taking care of my hair. But anyway, so that's why I'm keeping it braided up. Someone asked me earlier today, I know I'm digressing, right? Asked me earlier today, was I going to dye it? Because even though right now, because of the lighting, it's looking like it's a grayish brown, it's literally a white streak, right? And I said, no, I'm not going to dye it. And he was like, why not? It was a guy at the grocery store. And I said, because I earned this wisdom. I got this, right? And so I might dye my hair. I used to dye my hair and it would break my bang off. My bang would be that long. And so it's really me. I just don't have my crochet braids in, okay? Let me reply to my client right quick. Awesome. I'm submitting it. Okay, so I had to reply to my client. So I digress. But anyway, so yes, it's me, and this is my hair, and I am going to be getting crochet braids back soon. Y'all did hair for 14 years, so my hair changes all the time, right? So here it is, Cosmic Color Markers. Totally love them. This is a fine permanent marker. This is a 12 count, and this is, says that it's a limited edition color set. But I mean, these colors look like colors that Sharpies had before, so like really limited edition. But anyway, whatever you say, Sharpie. So that was one pack that I got. The other pack that I got is these are the original Sharpies. This is a fine point as well. I don't think any of these were like chunky, but I have some Sharpie markers that I had gotten before, and these to me were actually, so these were ultra fine point, and they were good. I wasn't doing jewelry at the time. I was just using them and letting my 14-year-old draw with them, but I didn't like how thin they were. So I'm not sure really how fine these are going to be when we open them up, but I believe that they'll do a great job of coloring on the wood. So this is the traditional or the original Sharpie. And so I think these colors are incredible. Again, this one was not, they were either not, wait, here's the receipt. And I got these, of course, over in the office supply section at Walmart. And they were $9.27. And so then, as if that wasn't enough, that I got two 12 count packs after I was fussing about being cheap and how expensive they were, I ended up getting a jumbo pack. I just couldn't help myself. I don't know. I got carried away. I figured I deserved it, right? I had been working hard. And I was like, I'm going to treat myself to some Sharpie markers. So this one actually has 24 markers, and 4 of them, which are right here in the middle, these 4 are actually metallic markers, which I thought was super cool, and these are neon markers. So that's what made me pick them up, because I was like, okay, neon, metallic, they're speaking my language. All the other colors are incredible, and so we are going to be just coloring up a storm. So that was my haul from Walmart. While I was there, I thought I got something else from there, but I don't see. I thought I had gotten a jewelry item. I think I was going to get a jewelry item, and now I got to go back because I didn't pick it up. I was so annoyed with myself that I didn't get it. So last week, remember I told you I had gone to Hobby Lobby, and they were having a sale, and everything was 50% off. So this is nothing earth-shattering. But I did want to share with you some things I got that I thought were super cute. Now, I don't know if they're still having the sale this week or not, but all their jewelry making components last week were 50% off. So all of the jewelry shop the title of it is called Jewelry Shop, was 50% off. So I ended up getting these, and these are actually bell plates. So this is what you would, let's say you wanted to glue a stone to something and you wanted to be able to string a necklace through it. Well, that would be called a necklace bell, right? So let me open it up so you can see it. But anyway, these are bell plates. I will open it up. And there are actually 8 pieces in here, so you could make 8 necklaces or 4 pairs of earrings but they're kind of heavy. I think these would just make great necklaces. And they were $3.99, so 50% off of $3.99, so roughly $2. So they're really thin and light, and they have like a little bezel set here, and so you would glue this, you would glue this part, whatever you're going to glue here. So I'm going to glue a seashell there. In the past, I've glued like stones. So even if you have anything, any bead or anything that you want to hang as like a centerpiece design, you would use a bell for. So I truly believe that I could have gotten these cheaper on Amazon or Etsy, but I really wanted them and I didn't want to wait. And I don't always order stuff online. So nevertheless, these are bells as well. Same thing. Sorry about that. They're just smaller. So these are actually 13 millimeters. They were $3.99 as well. And these were, what size? Sorry about that. 19 millimeters. So different sizes. And then, so I got 2 packs of those. So I thought that was a really good buy. I ended up getting some post backs because I had some of these before, but all I had was the smaller ones. And so now that I'm going to be making, you know, more earrings and more post back earrings, more that sit flat on the ear, not just hang, I wanted to make some more of those. I needed some more post backs. I also got some eye pins. I got them in gold and I got them in silver. And these were $3.99, and this was what I got from Walmart. I think it was like $2.47. So I was like, Michaels, where's your coupon? Come through, Michaels. Y'all letting me down, right? Because Walmart is not giving any kind of coupon. And Hobby Lobby, of course, they have the 40% or whatever it is, but it's only on the one item. I don't always think Hobby Lobby's coupon is like, they could do better. And then here's some circle bezels. I'm going to open these so you can see them as well. And these are bezel sets. So that means that you can put a stone that would measure to fit inside of here. You can place in here. You could do resin in the bezel set. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. But here it is. It's a little set. And like if you turn it to the side, you'll see that you can inset something in here. So you could do paint. You could do resin. You could do polymer clay. You could do a bead that would fit in here. There's a lot that you can do, and they're so super light. They are made out of, what are they made out of? Doesn't say. I was trying to see if it was nickel free or aluminum, but they're super lightweight. And they were $3.99, and they come in 30 pieces per pack, and it's a 15 millimeter circle bezel. So if it's 30 in here, you could do 15 pairs of earrings, or you could do 30 necklace pendants. So that was everything I got from Hobby Lobby. And then, as if that wasn't enough, right, I got carried away at the Dollar Tree. This was today when I was on my break. I had to wait for some appliances to be delivered to my client's house. And so while I was waiting on Lowe's to make the appliance delivery. And you know they always tell you they're going to come between this time and this time. So 10 to 2. I was like, okay, Lowe's, Home Depot, whichever one it was. Come on, y'all just jamming my day all the way up, right? So I ran in Dollar Tree and I went in there to look for some alphabets that I wanted to get. But I remembered I had seen those at Wal-Mart, not at Dollar Tree. So anyway, I got these incredible pens. I buy these all the time. I think these are the coolest pens. They are called R2 roller pens. They're blue ink, and they're gel pens. And I don't write, here's one that's already open. I don't write with anything else. Now this one is probably not going to write well, only because it's almost dried out. I'm not even going to try to write with it because I know it's dried out. But I buy these in multi-packs. I mean, because you're going to get 2 pens for $1. Basically, you're paying 50 cents. I do contracts with these pens. This is a 0.7 millimeter tip pen. You will not want to use any other pen. If you love pens, you collect pens, gel ink, that type thing, and you love a smooth writing pen, oh my gosh, and they come in black. So I keep those on hand all the time. I don't make crafts with those, but I write everything with those pens. So I thought these were the cutest things ever. So you know how they have all the tablescape scenes that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree? So like they'll have the tropical scene, they'll have the seashore scene, the flamingos. They have all these different scenes going on. So this is called Table Scatter. So I thought these were really cute. It reminded me of like a Hawaiian theme. And so these are actually, they look like leis, don't they? And so I was just thinking what super cute floral earrings these would make, even if you wanted to add glitter to them, if you wanted to glue them down and just keep them as they are, if you wanted to add some rhinestones, whatever you want to do. And so there are all these different types of flowers that reminded me of Hawaiian leis. I thought they were super cute. And then the other one was flamingos, pineapples, palm trees, and pineapples in different colors. Oh my gosh, so I love flamingos. I told you my favorite state is North Carolina, then South Carolina, then Florida, right? Skip over Georgia. I don't dislike Georgia, but I'm just saying I love palm trees and things like that. So they have the pineapples in here, the palm trees, and I just thought these would make super cute summer earrings. So I picked those up. And then I love the beach. If I have to choose the beach or the mountain, which one do you love, right? We'll do a poll. I love the beach. I'm not stuck in the mountains. I told y'all I believe the mountains have witches, but that's just Garlinda Price, right? That's just, maybe I've seen too many movies, or maybe the Lord showed me too many visions, but I don't do mountains, right? I'll go, but I'm giving the mountains a side eye the whole time I'm there, right? So anyway, this packet was so cute because I wanted it at least just for the crabs. Are they not the cutest ever? And there's like little whales in here. There are, well, they're kind of upside down. Let's put them that way. Let's see. Let me get it together. I'm too excited. There's super cute little whales. There are seahorses. Seahorse. How cute is that? There are, what else is in here? It looks like there's some dolphins in here. I can't tell what that is. It might be a shark. But just super cute stuff. It's a shark. So I don't know if you can tell it, but because it looks kind of weird, but that's a shark. So there's shark, there's dolphins. I'm sorry, there's sharks, there's whales, seahorses, and crabs. And I think they are so super cute. So I think that those would make really adorable earrings. I got those from the Dollar Tree, and I got them over in the section where they sell the tablecloths and the cups and the matching plates and all that stuff. You checking the mirror? You checking the pizza? Thank you. And then last but not least, I picked these up, and these are actually paper clips. But I'm going to take the tassels off the paper clips, or I'm going to do something with the paper clips. But I really just got them for the tassels, right? I thought they were super cute. Let's open them up. And they only had one pack. They had a pack of paper clips with pom-poms. But I have tons of pom-poms in there I haven't even used yet. So I thought these were super cute. And I was like, I could just buy these for the tassels. Because, you know, at Michael's, these tassels can be kind of pricey. So they have like a really pretty salmon, a pink, a lavender, and a mint green. So I got those just for those purposes, right? Just so I could get the, I don't know where my light started acting weird all of a sudden. So I got that just so I could get the tassels. Let me see where my light went down. Sorry about that. Okay, so next and lastly, let me share with you what I got from, where did this come from Michael's. Okay, so yesterday I told you that I have an incredible artist, my 14-year-old. She is just one of the most fantastic artists I've ever seen. Of course, I'm her mom, but I'm not saying it just because I'm her mom, because it'd just be easy enough for me to not say anything at all, right? But what I love about her art is it's creative. She creates and designs her own characters. And so we happened to be in Michael's yesterday, and of course, I thought it was pretty cool to buy stuff that I didn't necessarily need, right? But anyway, so while we were there, I thought these were the cutest things. I think I've seen them online. But anyway, look at these. They are coffee cups, right? And so I found these over in the wood section up against the wall where they have like the thick, not where you'd find the pack of like the regular multi-pack of wood cutouts, but where you find the thick wood cutouts like the hearts and on the dollhouse row section at the end of, like, and I know every store is different, but like at the end of the aisle you would find the stickers and stuff like that. So look at these. I thought they were so super cute. And again, Michael's has not had their proverbial 50% off coupon or 40% off coupon. Everything was just 25% off, and I could only use that coupon once. The other coupon was 20% off. So anyway, you have 9 pieces in here, 9 coffee cups. So of course, if you want to make earrings out of these, you have to buy 2 packs so you could have enough to make earrings. So that none of the cups inside the pack match, so you have to buy 2. So that way you'd have 9 pairs of earrings. Of course, if you bought 4 packs, you'd have 18 pairs of earrings. So I thought they were super cute. I have some ideas in mind of what I'm going to do with those. And then I got another pack of wooden shapes because sometimes they're out of these wooden shapes. And this one happens to have like the jumbo teardrop. I don't know, my light's not cooperating. Let's see what I can do over here. But it has the jumbo teardrop. It has the jumbo circle. That's a little bit better. It has like the smaller teardrop. And there are 30 pieces in here. So you can find these wooden pieces over by the popsicle stick section, the feathers, the pom-poms, the glitter, all that. So that is my haul of all the items I got. I think I got some great stuff. I have some great ideas in mind for what we're going to make. And I hope you all are having, I hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend with your family. And I hope you're having a great start to your week. So again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. And I want you to hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Every Tuesday and Thursday I do a ministry video, and I share that to my ministry playlist, and I do a creative video. So this Thursday we are going to be making some incredible jewelry. I'm super excited about it, and I will talk to you all soon. I'm Garlinda Price.